Hey, what's up? It's your friend Michael De La Cruz, and chances are you want to start making money online from home. Well, my friend, in this video, I'm going to share with you I'm going to say the only three ingredients you need to make money online. So stay tuned. All right, welcome to the show. Listen, before you can ever start making money online, understanding these three ingredients I'm going to share with you is going to be key to your success. Because I was that one guy that used to be jumping from opportunity to opportunity, and I never get results because I was jumping to, I was scattered everywhere that I didn't even slow myself down to really understand these three ingredients. So the only three things you need, or three ingredients you need to start making money online, are the following. Number one, you need an audience, right? You need a legitimate audience that is interested in a specific topic. For example, this could be making money online. This could be weight loss. This could be, real estate, etc. Then the second ingredient is you need a way to communicate with this audience. And this could be done through something called an autoresponder, which is pretty much a tool or software that sends automatically relevant messages and emails to this audience. And then the third thing you need is pretty much you need something to sell, right? And this could be a product or service that is relevant to what your audience is interested in. And those are the only three things you need to start making money online. If you want to know what I do and what I recommend to make money online, go ahead and click the link below this video and access the free training where you're going to learn exactly what I do to make money and how you can get started today. See you next time.